Every day, wind sweeps across farmlands carrying more than just dirt. It carries dust as well. And in that dust, though invisible to the eye, may be bacteria capable of causing serious foodborne illnesses. Now, this dust isn't just dry soil. It can be a complex mix of animal waste, compost, decaying plants, and harmful microbes like E. coli and Salmonella, which can find their way into your plate of food. How does that happen? Here's how it happens. A cow drops manure, it dries. Wind lifts contaminated particles into the air and carries them onto nearby crops. That lettuce is harvested, prepared, and eaten, and the bacteria still alive. So researchers asked, how far can these particles travel? Do different types of dust matter? And which bacteria are actually reaching our food? With these questions in mind, they set up an experiment. They aim to 1. Measure how bacteria transfers from dust to produce. 2. Test how humidity affects this process. And 3. Examine dust near livestock farms for contamination. To test this, they recreated farm environments in biosafety chambers in both Arizona and Georgia, dry and humid climates, using real dust samples and fresh produce. They even used glowing tagged strains of E. coli and Salmonella to track how bacteria traveled and stuck to leaves. And the results? Dust transferred bacteria just as well, sometimes even better, than water splash or soil contact. Humidity helped bacteria survive longer on crops, and contamination wasn't limited to nearby farms, as bacteria were often found up to 1 kilometer away from farm animal operations. When looking at crop types, they also discovered that peaches, with their fuzzy skin, trapped more bacteria than smooth produce like apples. It did turn out the surface of the crop really mattered. Now, dust size didn't significantly change results, but the type of bacteria did. These insights now feed into risk models like QMRA to help predict and reduce food contamination from dust. This research helps farmers make smarter choices from where to plant to how far crops should be from livestock. Because when E. coli hits the fan, we all need to know where it lands. You can learn more by reading the full study. Knowledge is power, especially when it's riding with the wind.